welcome to my channel. My name is Imani Janae if you are new here. If you are, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you consider subscribing down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, welcome back and thank you for tuning into today's video. Today I am showing you guys my beautiful office space that I'm super excited to share. I've been decorating and making it my own for a little bit now. If you guys don't know, or if you are new here, we moved into a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment so we can have this office space just to work from home, film videos, and be more creative. Those are basically the 3 reasons why we just needed the extra room. And it has worked wonders for us. It really just gets our minds flowing and thinking. We call it the innovation room, and I think it fits. So I'm going to show you guys everything that is on my desk, show you around a little bit. This isn't going to be like a full office tour because Julian has his own side of the room, and that will be a part of the furnished house tour, which I will be doing in the upcoming month or so. So I will show you guys the rest of the house and everything, but today I'm just doing a work from home space, work from home essentials, and showing you guys my work area at my desk. So enough of me rambling, let's get on into the video. Okay, let me just give you guys an overview of how everything looks in the daytime while I still have some daylight. This photo or picture panel here is from our old house. We just put it in here because it just matched the aesthetic and everything. Dying plant that is being replaced. I have one on the way, so I don't want to hear anything about that. But yeah, this is just the overview of my desk, and I love my area. So let's start with this calendar here. Okay, so starting in this corner over here, I kind of have my calendar and my little panels. So this calendar is just you know, just a dry erase board, has the months, days, and everything, and I just erase it and put the new months, new days every time a new month comes. Only thing on here is my YouTube posting schedule, which I haven't been following, but you know, I am trying to get back on schedule. So this is basically my YouTube planning journal, or if I'm going somewhere or anything. Basically, if I have appointments, then I'll write it on this calendar. And heading to the back here is one of my favorite parts of the area because it just has all my Polaroid pictures and, you know, a little bit of leaf decor just to make it all cute. I have this light here that just turns on the fairy lights, which I think is super beautiful and looks so gorgeous at night. So I'll definitely show you guys how everything looks at night. But that is just that area. Let me put that back. So this is that area. It's super gorgeous. I love it. And I just stick that in there, just hide that little space. So when it comes back here, it just looks super nice. So this grid, I got it from, I believe, Home Goods a while ago. I got it like over a year ago. I had it in the last apartment. And this actual grid here is from Amazon. And I just hooked it by putting these hooks up here that actually come with it, and it actually comes with these, comes with the little clothing pin things, comes with a little bit of extra clips here. It comes with a lot of different accessories. It even came with the fairy lights, so I really like that, and it just adds like something to the corner, to me just stepping back. It's just gorgeous. I love it. All right, panning down to this half of my desk. I have an L-shaped desk, as you guys can see, but on this end, I just have this acrylic pen holder with just some white pens just to keep the aesthetic going. So I got these pens and the acrylic holder from Amazon. Mostly everything is from Amazon, and I will have everything linked below, of course. And then this is my phone charger, so I have one in here. So basically it's a wireless charger, so I just set my phone on it and it will start charging just like that. This also has a space here for my AirPods, so I can charge my AirPods, and if I had an Apple Watch, my Apple Watch could charge here as well. So I really love that area. I like to keep this area very tidy and clean. I don't like to have too much on my desk or my space. I like to have it minimal but still very cute, so that is why they're looking like that. Moving on, if we pan down, I have my phone holder. So I put my phone here if I just want to watch like some YouTube videos or something while I'm working, or if I need to just like have my phone here and like scroll through emails or whatever. Usually I just use it for YouTube, to be honest, to distract me. Not even distract me, but to keep me like my mind occupied while I am working. I will use it and put my phone on here. It also has a space to charge, which I don't really use because I have this wireless charger here. But I have that if I did need it. And here are my 2 journals, which I will show you. This journal right here is my habit tracker journal. It is one of the best journals, and I use it just to track daily habits. So in here, I just have things that I want to accomplish each month, and then you are able to track it by day, by week, and by month. Okay, so this is kind of what your tracker looks like. In here, you have the month, so you just circle whatever month it is. That's why you can use this at any year, any time of the year. And then you can put like 5 things that you want to accomplish. And then each day that you do those things, you check it off just to make sure you're getting in the habit of doing them. These are the goals that you write and before you put them up here. But these are the 5 things that I want to accomplish this month. You can put why you want to accomplish these habits if you want to. And then you put, this side has a brain dump so you can add extra ideas. And then this is where you'll be at the beginning of your goal, the middle of your goal, and the end of your goal. And then you can give yourself some rewards here too. So if you have accomplished everything for the month, then let's say I earn 1 meal at a certain restaurant that I really want to eat at, or I earn the opportunity to buy a pair of shoes or a new pair of clothes. Like, it's just nice. And then on this side, you also have extra space to just write more things to accomplish your goals. Here you have weekly rewards, so you're able to reward yourself weekly because these pages are for every week, and then this one is for the month. So yeah, I just really like it, and I got this from Target. If I can find it, then I will link it in the description box, and you guys should check it out because it really does help you keep on track with all your new goals and stuff. This journal right here is just my gratitude journal, so I use this in the morning just to write things that I'm grateful for, just so I can enter the day with a clear mind and a better mindset, and just remind myself that I am grateful for things. Even if we think about things that we want and things that we haven't accomplished, we should always be grateful and be reminded of there's a lot of things in our life that we did accomplish and that we should be grateful for, and be grateful of where we're at now and not always looking into the future. So I like this journal. Actually, my HR department at my job gave me this journal as a welcome gift, and I absolutely love it. So I try to use this in the mornings when I wake up. So that is just that corner, and it is right below this area here. Moving along, I just have my microphone just to record voiceovers. My brother actually gave me this for Christmas along with a few other things, so I'm very, very grateful for that. It works really well and I love it, and it is also from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in starting a channel and need a microphone, you guys can check this one out. Then I have this pad where I place my mouse, my keyboard, this light, basically everything, because this helps keep my desk from getting scratched, and I love it. I love the color. It's like a blush pink, and you can also set like hot or cold drinks on it just so it doesn't mess up your desk or you don't get anything on it. So I usually drink coffee on here in the morning and it's fine. It doesn't leave any hot dents. It just works really, really well. This mat is also from Amazon too. They do have a bunch of different colors too. I also got this wireless mouse. So I just plug the USB into whatever computer I'm using, and then it just works perfectly. Got that from Amazon. Got this keyboard from Amazon. Literally everything is from Amazon. But I got this keyboard. It lights up different colors, which I absolutely love this. I usually keep it on this one, or you can turn it off completely, but I got it in the color white. and I just love it. It's not wireless, but I do think they have a wireless one if you guys are interested in that. I didn't know I didn't get the wireless one, but this one is fine. I just hide the cord and it's white. Cord is white, can't really tell it's even there, so it's fine. Okay, so the next thing that I absolutely love in here is my monitor. And it's like an Apple vibe, but it's not. And it's way cheaper than an Apple, but it still looks stunning. It's still super, super great quality. And it's white, so it matches everything. And I love it. It's actually HP. And I did get it from Amazon, so let's get up closer. Obviously, you can probably see my ring light on the screen, but this is the monitor. It is so beautiful. It is a 27-inch and I love it. It definitely gives like the Apple vibe without being an Apple computer or needing one. It's white and silver. It's just gorgeous. So this is what it looks like from the side, and it just goes with everything so well. So I really love it. The screen is actually really big. It is 27 inches and I love it. So it just gives me a lot more space to work. Then I do have this light here, which actually can turn colors. It is on a setting that can turn colors, but you can also like just have it regular and just have it on a certain color. So I like to tap it 3 times fast, so it just does a moving rotation. And I just think it looks really, really good that way. And then here I just have my Apple Macbook, which is the 2020 version, which I got for my birthday. And this is my Apple computer. It's me and Layla on the screen. But yeah, I just keep my laptop here and I keep it on the stand, which I got the cover and the stand also from Amazon. But yeah, this is just what that looks like, and it just gives me a level eye view. So when I'm looking at both screens, I don't have to look down and up all the time, and I just love that. Here we have my office chair, which is beautiful. It's this emerald green color, and I just keep this pink blanket in it to match the mat on my desk, and I think the contrast is just cute with the phone holder and my journal and everything. It's just really, really pretty, and this is what it looks like without everything on it. I have this seat cushion, which I got before I even got the chair. I actually don't really need this. The chair is pretty comfortable, but I have it just in case. So seat cushion is from Amazon. And this is the chair. It's beautiful. It is so comfortable. I actually don't need the cushion at all, like I said. And yeah, I just love the look of it, and just ties the greenery from up there and the greenery in my journal when the light is green. And then the pinks just stand out too, so I just love how the area is looking. Just to quickly move the chair out the way, I do have these baskets down here as well. And I just use them for storage, so I put my cords in there, my SD cards, my batteries, extra journals, extra anything that I don't want on my desk. I just got these 2 wicker baskets from Amazon, and they just fit here perfectly. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the daytime look. I'm going to quickly pan and show you what it looks in the nighttime. It's absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks. All the colors just make it so beautiful in here. It gives a nice aura. So it's easy to work in here at night. It's easy to work in here during the day. It's just a comfortable space. It's minimalist but chic, and I absolutely love it. I will get a new plant. It is on the way, and that should complete the space. And then I'll be working on the rest of the house so we can do a furnished house tour, which I'm so excited that I'm finally getting on the ball and trying to finish that for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite item was, or if you think any of these items are useful for your work from home space. A lot of these are essentials for me, and I just think it just adds to the space and makes it look more beautiful. So I'm so excited to film more videos here now that I actually have a space to film and make it my own. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your favorite item was in the comment section down below. Again, I'll have all of my affiliate links to Amazon listed in the description box, so you guys can check that out. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.